Hey, home decor lovers! I'm back. My name is Jasmine, your host for Luxury Home Inspiration. Welcome, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of home decor, lighting. The right lighting can completely transform any space, creating ambiance, highlighting your style, and making your home feel truly luxurious. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. I've handpicked 5 stunning lighting pieces for every room in your home, from dining rooms to outdoor spaces. Let's get started. First up, the dining room. This 54-inch black rectangular chandelier with 12 lights and 4-tiered smoke glass is absolutely stunning. It's modern farmhouse meets contemporary luxury. The smoke glass creates this beautiful ambient glow, perfect for dinner parties or intimate family meals. At 54 inches, it's ideal for larger dining tables or kitchen islands. The black finish adds drama without overwhelming your space. This is the kind of piece that becomes a conversation starter. Moving to the living room. This Japanese-style floor lamp with a cylindrical fabric shade is minimalist, elegant, and creates the most beautiful, warm, ambient glow. Perfect for reading nooks, beside your sofa, or in a corner that needs some cozy vibes. The fabric shade diffuses the light beautifully. No harsh glare, just soft, welcoming warmth. And at just $87, this is affordable luxury at its finest. It works in modern, minimalist, Scandinavian, or even bohemian spaces. Versatile and timeless. Now let's talk bathrooms. This 10-light nickel vanity fixture is 65 inches long, perfect for double vanities or large mirrors. The milky white glass shades provide even, flattering light. No shadows on your face. It's modern farmhouse style with a touch of elegance. The brushed nickel finish is timeless and works with almost any bathroom palette. This is the kind of upgrade that makes your bathroom feel like a luxury hotel suite. Bedroom lighting needs to be functional and relaxing. This gray bedside table lamp is a game changer. It's 3-way dimmable with touch control, so you can adjust the brightness for reading, relaxing, or sleeping. But here's the best part. It has built-in USB-C charging ports and an AC outlet. Charge your phone, tablet, or smartwatch right from your lamp. The gray fabric shade is elegant and neutral, fitting any bedroom style. LED bulb included. Last, but definitely not least, outdoor lighting. These 21-inch outdoor wall lanterns come in a 2-pack, perfect for flanking your front door, garage, or patio entrance. Modern black metal with clear glass creates a sleek, contemporary look that boosts your curb appeal instantly. They're weather-resistant and built to last through all seasons. At the price for 2, you're getting quality and style. So there you have it, 5 stunning lighting solutions for every room in your home. Here's my bonus tip. Layer your lighting. Don't rely on just one source. Combine overhead lights with floor lamps, table lamps, and accent lighting to create depth and warmth. That's the secret to truly luxurious spaces. Ready to transform your space? Shop all of these lighting pieces at luxuryhomedecoridea.com, link in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more inspirational home decor ideas, and smash that like button to help us create more educational content just like this. Till next time, take care and have a great day.